Still Wednesday, August 18th. Still raining. So now it's rained probably 36 hours out of 37. I just heard a weather report. Showers all night long. Showers tomorrow. So, I don't know. I put those two tarps over there. They're getting wet. Still have this up. I don't know. I might take this tarp down. I gotta look at it yet. That stuff I'll just leave there for the night. So I guess I'll have to pack up this canopy in the morning. So I want to be able to leave this window open for air. And that's the way the rain's coming. So, yeah, unbelievable. Last September I was here, the end of the month, and it rained for 32 straight hours. That was in the end of September, though. This is middle of August. This is crazy this year. There's so much rain up here, they said. I was talking to a guy yesterday for like 2 hours. And, yeah, he said it's been like bad all, especially July. So this is crazy. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. It's 5:08 p.m. My last night. Had a fire since 2, I think. Been raining off and on. Surprised I was able to keep it going. Just put on my last 5-6 pieces. I don't know if they're going to burn up or if they're going to go out, because the rain will put them out. Sounds like it's letting up now, though. Yeah. At least I had a fire the last day. I usually like to do that. I save wood so I can have a fire my last day, night, whatever. I'll be going in after this is done. I got the bins inside and I got everything on top of them. So I got to put all that stuff away and put a lot of stuff away for tomorrow. So, yeah, that's it. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Heading out tomorrow. Still Wednesday, August 18th. 9:30 at night. Still raining. Well, it's been drizzling where it's raining. It quit for a while there. I didn't hear no drips on the Jeep for like a half hour. But now there's drips again. Starting to rain. Hopefully it's not raining too hard when I get up to pack up, because I don't want to get soaked. But hopefully it won't be raining too hard then. If it does, I'll have to get soaked and change my clothes again. I still got some extra. So. Well, I can't believe how long it's been raining. It's going to be 48 hours at 4 in the morning. Unbelievable. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Say night, Demi. He's already sleeping. Wednesday still, 10:30 at night. Here we go. I can't see because of the screen. Unbelievable. Thursday, August 19th, still pouring. Poured all night long. It's pouring now and I'm trying to pack away. I'm trying to pack away now a half hour. Got some of this stuff in. I don't know. I wish it would let up so I can take the awning down. I'm going to get soaked. It's too hot to put a jacket on. Might have to though. I don't even know where I put it. I just like threw everything in the back and jumped in here for now to rest a minute. Unbelievable. This is just totally unbelievable. Finally got it all packed away. I'm not too wet as I thought I would be. Took me an hour and a half though. Usually it only takes me 20 minutes. There is standing water, 1 to 2 inches of standing water all around the Jeep, all through the woods here, on the way to the bathroom, about 3 inches. Over in front of me there's standing water. The great 2 rivers running through here. We must have got over an inch last night. The whole trip I've been here must have been 3-4 inches, maybe more. This is just insane. This is insane. I had to put the air conditioner on to clean the windows. Now I'm freezing. Let's get that one done. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.